Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to make scatter plot in Excel. A scatter plot in Microsoft Excel helps you visualize the relationship between two numerical variables. It is useful for finding trends, patterns, correlations and analyzing data such as sales versus advertising, cost study hours versus exam scores, or height versus weight. So let's begin. First, select your data, study hours or and exam scores. Go to Insert tab, recommended chart, all chart, XY scatter, and choose your scatter chart. Okay, example, use select first on. Then axis titles, data labels, error bars, grid lines or without grid lines, legend, trend lines. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.